morning after. We're staying at the Hilton. You know, us trying to make the best out of it, so that's how crazy it looks like. That's crazy. Hey guys, welcome back to INTERRACIAL REVIEWS. In today's episode we're going to be covering a big snowfall that is happening right now in St. Louis Airport, International Airport, Lambert. Crazy. Alright guys, so because of the snowfall, our bus decided that it's too dangerous to go back home, right back home. So they allowed us to stay. They paid a Hilton room for the two of us because the roads are too dangerous. So go ahead here. Very cool. Let's take a look at the view. You know, us trying to make the best out of it. So that's how crazy it looks like.
We're on the 6th floor.
Yep. And to your left, you see the runway. And those are the roads. The highway is pretty much deserted at this point. And you can clearly see there's emergency vehicles down the road. So yeah. Good.
Pretty.
All right, so now we're gonna go to the lobby to pass the snowfall, the snowstorm. And we're gonna have a couple drinks. That's what we do here, okay? We are staying at the Hilton. I'm gonna show you a couple of shots.
Way comfortable. And I would choose it.
The what, the bed?
All right, guys, so this is the morning after the big snowfall. So let's see. We are staying in the Hilton for security reasons and safety reasons, thanks to our boss who paid for the night because it was too dangerous to drive back home. So this is St. Louis International Airport, Lambert, and it's all covered mostly in snow. It's a Saturday, so it's not as heavy traffic. So yeah, so right now we're just gonna head back to work. We work right there, and yeah. All right, guys, I hope you guys like the footage. It's pretty awesome, and we wish you to stay safe in St. Louis. So that's about it, guys. If you like this video, please like, share, and hit the subscribe button. See you.